Good morning. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine. Okay. Today, what we are going to do, today we are going to start a new chapter named subtraction. So, as you are familiar with the subtraction means taking away. Okay. Take away something from which is given to you. So if you have 5 toffees and you have to give 2 toffees to your sister, how much left? 3. Okay. If you have 4 things, anything what you have, like chocolates, candies, or you have 4 your favorite toys, and there is someone who come to your house and you have to give 1 toy to him, how many left? 3. Likewise, okay, that means taking away anything and how many left with you. Okay, so subtraction is all about taking away and how much is left with you after that. Okay, so we are going to start now. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Till then you have done simpler 1-digit number and 2-digit number subtraction in your previous class. Now what we are going to do is to learn the subtraction of 3-digit number, or 3-digit number from 1-digit number from 3-digit number, 2-digit number from a 3-digit number, and 3-digit number from a 3-digit number, and subtraction without borrowing and with borrowing. Okay, so first of all, let me start with subtraction. Subtraction is taking away from one number and finding out what is left. Taking away from one number means whatever given to you is and how many have you taken away and how much is left after taken away. Okay, like 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. When you taken one object from the 7 objects, you will left with the 6 objects. Okay, now there is only one property of the subtraction, zero property of subtraction. When we subtract 0 from any number, so we will get the same number as an answer. Okay, so let's take a look over some examples of subtraction without borrowing. First, 55 minus 30. So first of all, what you have to take care, write the place values ones and tens like I have written in this. If it is not given to you, if it is given to you, it's good, better and best. But if it is not given to you, you have to write ones and tens. Write the ones place digit below the ones place digit and tens place digit below the tens place digit. Okay, start subtracting from the ones place digit like we are done in addition. In addition, we start with the ones place digit. Now in subtraction also we are doing it like the ones place from the ones place digit, like 5 subtract 0. 5 may say you have taken away 0, so what left with you is 5. As I told you earlier in the 0 property, when we subtract 0 from any number, so you will get 0. Okay, 5 minus 3. When you subtract 3 from 5 objects you have 5 objects and 3 is given to you, so how much left? 2 only. Okay, or you can do like this. Okay, 2 objects. Okay, now subtracting, come to the 3-digit subtraction. First of all, we have to subtract 1 digit from the 3-digit number. The number is 643 and you have to subtract only 2 from it. You can also do one thing. What? Write the 0 where nothing is given to you. Write 0 where nothing is given to you. Now take away 2 from 3 will gives you 1 object left. Take away 0 from 4 will left with 4. Take away 0 from 6 will left away for 6. Then what answer you get? 643. From 643 you have to subtract 2, then you will get answer as a 641. Now what we are going to learn? Deducting or subtracting 2-digit number from a 3-digit number. From 298 you have to subtract 78. From 8 to you have 8 objects and anyone has just snatch from you all the 8 that objects or toys of you, then you will left with the 0 ना. 8 objects हैं, 1 toys हैं, किसी ने आपसे छीन लिए तो 8 में से 8 छीन लिए तो you have left with the nothing. Nothing means 0. When you have to subtract 7 from 9, when anyone takes 7 toys of yours out of 9, what you left with? 2. Okay, and if you don't have anything, then write 0. So when you subtract 0 from the 2, you will get 0. So when you subtract 78 from 298, you will get 220. Okay, so now we have to subtract a 3-digit number from another 3-digit number. 136. What you have to subtract from 136 is 121. When you take away 1 from the 6, you will get 5. When you take away 2 from the 3, you will get 1. When you take away 1 out of the 1, you will get 0. So when you subtract 136 from 121, what you get as a result? 15. Now come to the book. Exercise 5.1 you have to do. Okay, this is simple subtraction. First of all, you have to do it in book only. When we match the answers, then you can do it in copy. Then 5.2 you have to do exercise 5.2 also. Okay, this is a subtraction from 0 and then subtraction of a single digit from a 3-digit number. The whole exercise subtracting of a 2-digit number from a 3-digit number. Okay, 5.2. Now come to the exercise 5.3 also, which is a subtraction without borrowing, subtraction of a 3-digit number from another 3-digit number. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to do exercise 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3. okay, that's why. Okay, there are simple subtractions without any borrowing, so you can do it very clearly. First you have to do it in book only. Okay class, I hope you are all getting it. If you are not getting, please let me know over the online classes, because you are not asking anything and I think it's not good for me also. That means whether I am very good, I mean best, or I am the worst one. या तो मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ या बहुत ख़राब हूँ. If you are not asking something, okay, so please do ask the problems, queries you have in your online class. Okay, so you have to do exercise 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3 in book only. Okay, bye.